Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see second lesson, that is growing up, understanding, discovering adolescence. Standard 9. Second lesson, growing up, understanding, discovering and adolescence. Introduction. We will see first introduction. The period between the age of 13 years and 19 years is considered to be important in one's life. This period marks the end of childhood and the beginning of adolescence. So, dear students, the age between 13 and 18, it is a very important age, or it is a very important one's life. This period marks the end of childhood. Okay, your childhood ends up here and you start understanding the new things. What does adolescence mean? What type of changes take places in your face? What impact does it have on you? Let us understand all this concept in this chapter. Friends, so many strange things happen during this period. You pick up the fights with others. You wish to be stylish, wear fashionable clothes and want to travel to distant places with your friends. So dear friends, this is the age where you want to do things on your own. Okay, you don't want to listen to the elders. You want to be stylish, you want to be fashionable, you want to spend your more time with your friends. In short, you want to have more freedom than before. That means you don't like to listen to anybody else. You want your own freedom and you don't want to stay at home. You want to stay with your friends. But you know that freedom and responsibility are two sides of the same coin. It is very essential to maintain a balance between these two. At this age, the state of your mind is discreet. You will understand how to maintain balance by solving different activities given in this chapter. So when you are in this age, that is the age of 13 to 19, you don't know what you are doing exactly. This age will make you to do different things which your parents, which your elders doesn't or don't like, but still you want to do that. It is not your mistake, students. It is not a mistake, but this is the age where this age will make you to do so many things or make you to go wrong. So no need to get scared. We will be solving the questions. The questions will make you to understand. Then you will have a control on yourself. But when you are doing this, you must understand each and every question so that you will control yourself in this age. Adolescence. The period between 13 and 19 years of the human is called adolescence. Most of us experience changes related to the physical, emotional, social, cognitive nature which are associated with this phase. The following activity will give you an insight in the concept of adolescence. So we are going to see now activity 2.1. What changes do you see in yourself? Mark appropriately. Okay. My body is growing. Here there are two options, yes and no. What do you feel? Your body is growing or not growing? If it is growing, you put yes, and if it is not growing, you put no. But dear students, understand the question. My body is growing. You are still growing, so you will tick mark on right. You will tick mark on yes. I am concerned about having proper figure and physique. That is also yes. I feel very confident. Yes. I like to take responsibility. It will not come. You can okay, it will come yes. I like to make friends with boys and girls. Yes. I like to go out with my parents. It will come no. This age will not make you to go with your parents. This age will only help you to go with your friends. So it will come no. I like to compare myself with the character in films, television, serials. Yes. I like to spend more time outside the house with my friends. It also will come. Yes. I conf- I have conflicts with my parents. Yes. I seriously think about my career. No. I solve my problem peacefully. No. So dear students, we have seen now activity 2.1. Let us go ahead. Changes during adolescence. Friends, by this time you must have realized that you have started thinking more about your life than earlier. You are experiencing many changes in yourselves, such as physical change, emotional change, social change, or a charge in your thoughts process. Now here there are two pictures. Okay, read the following chart, think about and the changes mentioned. So dear students, I am leaving this chart for you to understand. Okay, this you will read as a personally. This is a very interesting chart. You can see the boy and girl. Boy's body has grown up, then girl has got the pimples on her cheeks. So these things will happen. No need to feel shy or no need to take tension. These are the things which will happen in your life. So dear students, I am leaving this chart for you to read. Okay, read it and understand it. Don't make a mockery, I am telling. So you will read it, and then down there is a question. Write down the changes you have noticed or experienced other than the above. So what you have to do? Here already the chart is given. You read it properly, and what other changes you find in yourselves that you have to write in these 4 lines. So dear students, this is a very interesting lesson. Don't feel shy and write what you think, but write sincerely. We'll move to the next page. Okay. Speciality of adolescence. The brain of human changes structurally as well as functionally till one reaches the age of 24 years. The development of brain is rapid in this period. So dear students, the brain of human changes structurally. Okay, where as you grow it also grows as well as functionally till one reaches the age of 24 years. The development of brain is rapid in this period. In addition, the adolescence phase is marked by physical, emotional, social, cognitive changes. These changes makes adolescence difficult but an important period in a person's life. In order to understand the special features of adolescence phase, let us understand the changes that take place in the brain till the age of 24 years and 24 years with the help of the following chart. So this is the first chart is given as a child, second is a boy, and third is a girl. So first will come here, first action brain, emotional brain, and then the thinking brain. That means action brain means when you are small you do something or the other, am I right? You do actions, or the reptilian brain, that means reptilian. Okay, you are small. Okay, you just take the things easily and then leave it. Next, emotional, that monkey brain. You like to climb in this age. Okay, you are more you are more naughty. Then when you as you grow you think about yourself or you think more. So here is the chart, you will read it. How is the adolescent's brain different? You have studied how the adolescent's human brain developed till the age of 24 years. Now we will see how it is different from a fully developed brain. During adolescence, the emotional part of the brain is much more developed as compared to the thinking brain, which is still in the process of development. In this stage, the glands in the body secretes various hormones required for growth. As a result, the physical characteristic of the body changes rapidly. So dear students, in this stage, till you grow till 24, there your body is changing. Okay, it is changing, it is growing. Okay, mentally, physically. Okay, in the body there are secret, or there are various hormones which is requiring for us for a growth. It also starts growing. These changes make an adolescent moody, impulsive. Moody means no mood. Impulsive and irresponsible. One tends to have conflicts with other, argue a lot, and develop a feeling that the whole world is against him or her. One feels that she should be given more freedom. However, it is necessary to understand whether she is matured enough to take the right decision. Let us discuss the point further with the help of the following action. So dear students, this is the para which tells you about your freedom, or you like to behave as you like. Read the following statement, discuss them in detail with your friends. Try to understand the point of view of your parents and teachers. So dear friends, here are the points, 6 points. Okay, you will read it. No need to discuss with your friends, but you read and understand it. Freedom and responsibility. After discussing the above statement with your friends, you must have realized that although the desired completed freedom, you have not acquired the maturity to resolve problems and difficulties as yet. It is because your thinking brain is not fully evolved. If you take wrong decision at this stage, you may have to face long term consequences. That means, see, after this it is telling that it is because your thinking brain. Okay, why these things are happening to you? Once you take a decision, you take it properly. Don't go for easy things. Okay, and once you are doing some mistake, it is going to be a lifelong. Rash driving, when you are not even eligible to drive, it will be not only put you in legal trouble, but it may also lead you to irreparable loss. Many such consequences can take you to depression and lead to frustration. Therefore, it is essential to listen to the elders at home and teachers in the school, who help you to balance between freedom and responsibility. So dear students, when you take freedom, or when you think I am responsible myself, or I have full freedom, I have full right to do things, you need to think and take it. So it is better to listen to the elders, listen to the teachers, than to take a decision. Okay, if you are not free with your parents, you can discuss, or you can share with your other elders, or your brother, sister, or your teachers. But when you do the things, you must take it seriously, or you must be responsible for it, or you must be very careful when you are doing the things. Options and responsibility. When you have many tasks to do during the day, each task requires proper thinking and right decision making. In order to succeed in life, we have to have right priorities and plan properly. Decision making is the foremost and crucial aspect of planning. It helps us to decide what actions need to be taken, and in what order. Also, we need to assess if any other option is available. It should be noted that the consequences of these decisions or option, whether good or bad, it is your responsibility. Pick up the right option after giving careful thought to each alternative available. Remember, you are going to be responsible for the consequences. Now dear students, this is the activity 2.4. Read the following incidents, choose the right option, indicate that you have behaved in such situation, justify your choice. So here is the question. I will show you the first. You wish to go for the school picnic, your parents are opposing the plan, expenses are not within their budget. So you will choose any one option from these three and you will write a reason why you chose that option. Suppose you will fight with your parents and force them to pay for the picnic. You will accept the decision without resentment and not to go to the picnic. You will borrow money from your neighbor friends and go to the picnic. So whichever option you like, you choose it and then you have to write a reason. So likewise there are some more, I think so there are altogether 8. Okay, there are altogether 8. You will read the lesson or you will read the first question, then you will solve the you will tick mark the right option and then you will write the reason. This way we have finished up the second lesson. Okay, here is the evaluation. This you don't do anything, this I will be doing. Before that you will complete this whole lesson, and then if you have any doubt you can tell me or you can WhatsApp me. So dear friends, this is a very interesting lesson about the adolescence. Okay, growing up, your body grows, we all are growing. Okay, our age is growing. So dear friends, understand the full lesson and understand the changes and the growth in your body, physically, mentally. Okay, and write the correct answers. Thank you.